Hello and welcome back to Mental Health Toolkit with Annie, where I help you learn some new skills, develop tools and resources to add to your already existing ones in order to better your mental health and in turn make you a kinder and more compassionate person towards yourself and those around you. Today we're just going to do a real quick mindfulness skill. It's called body scan. And it's a skill that helps you with just in a couple minutes explore the sensations inside, the emotions that are showing up for you inside your body and kind of locating where those are, and then also exploring with your five senses what's going outside of your body. You can do this with your eyes closed. You can do it with your eyes open. When you're focusing on your internal, you can do it with your eyes closed, and then if it helps you to engage your senses by opening your eyes for the second half, you can do that as well, or you can do the whole thing with your eyes closed. So get comfortable in a spot. I'm going to help you walk through this, and feel free to replay this video again to help you walk through it when you need it. So we're going to get started. I want you to take a few moments to focus on your body. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Get in a comfortable spot. You can lay on the ground. You can sit in a comfortable chair. You can sit on your floor with your legs crossed. You can maybe shut your office door if you're doing this at work, or shut your bedroom door if you're doing this at home, just to get to a space where you can focus on these things. First, you're going to kind of explore what's going on inside. And so I want you to first notice any pain, discomfort, or tension you're feeling. And just notice it. Try not to do anything about it. Locate those parts of your body that you feel any pain or tension or discomfort. Now I want you to notice points of relaxation, comfort, or feeling at ease. Again, notice where that's at in your body. Become aware of neutral sensations. So those are in places like your earlobes or the tip of your nose, or maybe in your fingers or your toes. Places you don't normally think about that might feel just calm, at ease, where you don't notice a sensation one way or another. And again, don't judge it, don't do anything about it, just notice. Notice any feelings or emotions that come up for you. If you tend to feel depressed a lot, or sad, or lonely, notice that. And then also notice, maybe even exploring the parts of your body, if there's a sense of calm, maybe in your legs or your arms or your head, where maybe the depression shows up in your chest or your stomach, but then you don't feel as down. Maybe you feel more light in other places. Same goes for anxiety or confusion or anger or feeling isolated, all those emotions that can feel heavier. Notice where there's maybe a lightness or a calm or a comfort. You can take another deep breath, and then you're going to explore the outside environment with your five senses. It's actually raining right now as I do this video, so see what you can hear. Notice the sounds you hear in the room you're in, but maybe outside of it. Maybe you hear cars passing, or a siren, or something going on outside. Notice lighting in the room you're in. Even with your eyes closed, you can kind of sense the lighting, whether it's really bright or kind of dim or dark. Notice the temperature on your skin. Again, we're just noticing. We're not doing anything about it. Any smells or tastes. If you just ate something, what's showing up. Be aware of the people around you, their closeness or distance from you. You may not be with any people right now, but kind of thinking about family or friends or even neighbors. How far or close are they to you? Take one more moment on the outside, one more moment on the inside, and then you can come back. If your eyes are closed, you can open them. So I'd encourage you to use this skill every day if you can, or at least a couple times a week. I find it really helpful to use. I've probably mentioned in other videos, I am a therapist, and so often I'll use this skill in between sessions with clients just to recenter, to kind of clear and come back to my body and to what actually is happening in the present. I use it before I have to do kind of a big thing, maybe for work or a volunteer gig or something like that. I'll use this skill to just kind of calm myself and become more present. I hope you find this skill helpful for you. Again, below in the comments, I do have that dialogue written out, so you can click on that link and get that for your resources. Remember, as you practice new skills, be kind to yourself.